everyone, welcome to my video. I want to show you that the missing grid lines, where how we can find the missing grid lines and how we can hide or unhide. So here you can see I am having a data over there. So here you can see that the data is there, but other than that, apart from this area, you can see it is completely white. So where is the grid line? So there's nothing but you can see the top header column, there's a file, home, insert, page layout and all. We'll go to page layout simply and we'll go to sheet options, and after that inside it we can see headings and grid lines. So we'll see grid lines. There is two options. One is view and other is print. We'll click view, and when you will click it you will get back your grid lines. And again, let's create new sheet. Okay, so this is my new sheet and I just want a complete white sheet. So I will just remove this. And you can see that it is a blank now and no grid lines over there. So no need to worry. If you want your grid line back, just go to grid line and just check the view option. That's all. I hope you like my video. See you on the next. Bye bye.